Description: as drone warfare intensifies, Russia showcases the S-70 Okhotnik-B, a sixth-generation stealth UAV developed with Sukhoi and MiG Corporation. This advanced drone is designed for enhanced air combat, integrating fifth-generation Su-57 fighter technologies. The S-70 Okhotnik-B, in development since 2011 and first introduced in 2017, works in tandem with the Su-57 to expand radar and target designation capabilities, enabling the use of long-range weapons beyond enemy air defenses. After extensive ground tests, the Okhotnik made its maiden flight in August 2019. By September 2019, the Russian Ministry of Defense released footage of the Okhotnik flying alongside the Su-57, demonstrating its operational synergy with manned aircraft. Equipped to carry a variety of weapons, including 250 and 500 kilograms bombs, as well as various air-to-ground and air-to-air missiles, the drone boasts an AL-31 jet engine from the Su-27 fighter, enabling speeds over 990 km per hour and a flight range of up to 6,000 km. The S-70 Okhotnik-B can autonomously perform complex tasks, including takeoff and landing, enhancing its role in modern warfare. Its stealth capabilities, including a flat nozzle design for improved radar stealth, make it a formidable asset. As drone usage by Ukrainian forces grows, Russia is accelerating its own UAV programs, including a partnership with Iran to produce Shahed drones, positioning the S-70 to play a pivotal role in future combat scenarios.